Hey everybody, it's Kyle with Anthem with today's Anthem Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to discuss troubleshooting Arc Genesis when you launch Arc Genesis on your new MRX X40 series receiver or AVM70, AVM90 processor. When you launch Arc Genesis, everything should go smoothly. You go through the calibration process, you upload it to your device, and you have a perfectly calibrated system in your home. But what happens when you see a message pop up in Arc Genesis telling you that your unit's firmware needs to be updated? It means that you need to be past firmware version host or MCU version .68 on your new MRX receiver or AVM series processor. So what we would want you to do in that scenario is go through our two-stage update process. First, going through the network module version update process that you can reference in our how to update your new unit's firmware, and then eventually go through in the unit's menu itself and do the check for update process for the MCU or host firmware version. Once that update is complete and you're on the latest version of the network module version release and the host or MCU version, now you can smoothly run Arc Genesis without receiving that message. You can always check anthemav.com, go on your products page, go to reviews and downloads, and go to the firmware changelog to ensure that you are updated to the latest version of the network module version release and the host or MCU version required to run Arc Genesis in the system.